In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Steam games to Taskbar in Windows 11. If you want faster access to your favorite Steam game without opening Steam and searching through your library every time, this is a simple and useful trick. In Windows 11, you can pin a running game directly to the taskbar, which gives you a quick shortcut you can click whenever you want to launch it. To get started, open Steam on your Windows 11 computer like you normally would. Make sure Steam is fully loaded and that your library is available. Once you're inside Steam, find the game you want to pin to the taskbar and launch it. Let the game open properly so Windows recognizes it as an active app on the taskbar. As the game is running, look down at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You should see the game's icon appear there while it's open. This is important because Windows allows you to pin apps to the taskbar when they are actively running. Right-click the game's icon on the taskbar to open the menu for that app. From that menu, select Pin to Taskbar. Once you click that option, Windows 11 will save that game shortcut to your taskbar so it stays there even after the game is no longer open. This is a great way to keep your most played games within easy reach and cut down the number of steps it takes to start playing. After the game has been pinned, you can go ahead and close it. The icon should remain on the taskbar, which lets you know the pin was successful. If you don't see it disappear after closing the game, that's exactly what you want. It means the shortcut is now permanently pinned until you decide to remove it yourself later. From this point on, whenever you want to launch the game quickly, just click the pinned taskbar icon. Windows will use that shortcut to open the game without you needing to manually search for it first. It's a small change, but it can make your desktop feel much more convenient and organized, especially if you play the same games often. If you're pinning multiple Steam games, you can also arrange the icons on your taskbar in the order you prefer by dragging them into place. That makes it even easier to keep your favorite titles right where you want them. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to pin Steam games to the taskbar in Windows 11.